I am walking to work. I am driving home. I am making breakfast. I am waiting for the bus. I am cooking dinner. I am taking a shower. I am talking on the phone. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my hands. I am reading a book. I am writing an email. I am checking my messages. I am drinking some water. I am eating my lunch. I am cleaning the room. I am opening the window. I am closing the door. I am packing my bag. I am looking at the clock. I am stretching my arms. I am tying my hair. I am feeding the cat. I am watering the plants. I am folding the clothes. I am sweeping the floor. I am mopping the tiles. I am setting the table. I am clearing the dishes. I am heating the food. I am cutting vegetables. I am stirring the soup. I am pouring the tea. I am fixing the chair. I am moving the table. I am checking the list. I am buying groceries. I am paying the bill. I am waiting in line. I am crossing the road. I am sitting quietly. I am standing near here. I am watching the traffic. I am calling my friend. I am answering the call. I am listening carefully. I am learning English. I am practicing speaking. I am solving a problem. I am using my laptop. I am charging the phone. I am updating the app. I am saving the file. I am sending a message. I am planning my day. I am feeling relaxed. I am getting ready. I am going outside. I am coming back. I am resting now.